call it a sausage.
Pardon?
Yes, the toothpick.
I beg you revise the...
Yes. Do you think that as big as I am in size and everything, do you think his toothpick can reach me? And why would, first of all, Mr. Lwaswa feel bad about this? Because Mr. Lwaswa has no private in his life. His private parts were in public. Why is mine hurting him? Why does he want to? You see, mistakes happen. I never expected this from him. He would have come and said sorry, you know? Instead of just coming and saying, you know, blah, blah, you know, talking nonsense. That's nonsense to me. For sure, it's nonsense to me. And I have my reasons why am I talking this. He provoked me. To be honest, he provoked me. His kids, some of them, they're older than me. I would have told him to respect his kids. Let him respect himself. Let him respect his kids, because he's even giving them, you know, in my culture, when you're marrying someone, I think in African culture, when you're marrying from a man or a woman, you will look their background. You understand? He's giving his kids to a background, a very bad background, I'm telling you, a very bad one.
Well, that's what Mr. Lwaswa, and you promised that this is the last interview.
For sure, he forced me to come here today. He provoked me. For sure, I never wanted to come out, and for sure, he just provoked me. So I'm just here to warn him, and I would like to tell him to respect himself. Let him respect himself. Let him respect his kids, and let him stay away from me. Let him stop talking about me through social media. If he needs to talk to me, he has my number. Let him call me. Let him call me and we talk in a mature way. But not
Did
come...
you call him and you warned him about this?
No, I tried calling him, but he was not... In fact, the phones were off. I called him. I kept on calling him since last night, because I never wanted to come out. And
if he continues?
We shall face the law. We shall face the law. And I'm telling you this is, I wish this will be the last time, because the more he provokes me, the more I will come back stronger. And I'm telling you, if I come back, my comeback will be big and price. Like I'm telling you, he will not like it. He will not, and he will not, and I'm going to bring, like I'm going to tell, in fact, I'm going to bring the evidence, and he will not like it. He will not, because he's an old person. You see, I can make wrongs. I know I did a mistake at the beginning to appear in a camera and to speak out, but still I have the time, I have the years. If I'm still alive, I can make things right. But him, first of all, he's an old person. He took all his age there, moving with young girls, one whole one. Had ever been in social media in many ways. You understand? So he has nothing to lose, he has nothing to protect, he has no image to protect. And for sure, let him not mess up with me. I'm telling you, he should not mess up with me. He shouldn't. Please and please.
Thank you. I'm fine. How is the going since we aired the story?
Well, one thing I'm so annoyed is about Lwaswa, and I'm here to warn him.
Pardon?
Yeah, I'm here to warn him.
To warn who?
To warn Mr. Lwaswa Emmanuel.
Are you drawing a caution to him?
Obviously, yes.
Okay, come back and tell us. What's
yeah.
Up?
I saw him in an interview that he did yesterday, and I'm just here warning Mr. Lwaswa. Let him just stop talking about me through social media. I'm not interested in cameras, either fame, neither money. I'm not here for money, and I'm not here for fame, as I told you. So let him just stop talking about me. If not, or if he does it again, we should go to the law.
Why are you this mad to him? What did he say exactly that is pissing you off?
A lot of things. Mr. Lwaswa knows that me and him, there is nothing happened between us, and he knows reason behind it. He really knows. He really knows, and there is some reasons I didn't sleep with him. I saw him saying that.
He slept with you?
Yeah, something like that. No, I didn't sleep with him, and I would not advise any woman out there should sleep with him. Wow. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
And he knows why am I saying that. He knows and I know. He knows and I know that.
Aren't you trying to threaten or defend him?
No. I'm just trying to be human, and I'm just warning those ladies out there.
Mm.
Yes.
What happened?
For sure, I didn't come here to say much. Yes, I didn't come here to say much because I've seen him saying a lot of things that he brought for me. I wish,
He gave you a Toyota, which you wanted a car more expensive than his.
To someone who couldn't pay the bills, the dinner for that night at Atade restaurant, I'm the one who paid for it.
Are you? Pardon?
Yes, I'm the one who paid for it.
You paid for what?
For the dinner.
Lwaswa couldn't afford the dinner?
Yes.
Don't try to lie.
I'm telling you.
How much was the dinner?
Well, it wasn't much, but still he couldn't afford.
He couldn't afford it?
Yes.
Or you did it out of love to pay it?
No, I had to do it. I had to do it because he couldn't afford.
You said it wasn't expensive.
It wasn't expensive.
You are saying he couldn't afford it.
Yes.
Does this mean Lwaswa didn't have the money?
Yes. He didn't have the money.
Lwaswa says you wanted quick things. You were there for the property, which he didn't give you.
Which property? Yet I've not seen anything in him. I've never seen him with a single coin. I had people saying that he was rich, he was this, but as now, he's nothing. To me, he's nothing. Yes, and people around him, they know. They know that. He has nothing. Like nothing. I know what I'm saying. He has nothing. Yes.
But Lwaswa still says he was going to visit your parents and you somehow played around.
Played around what? To go and see which parents?
Your parents, your biological parents.
To see it, he didn't talk to them because I told you it was stage managed. So to see who? Because the whole thing was, he was trying to get the media's attention. He was trying to hurt the exes. He even sent me a video about Angel.
Really?
Yes, he even sent me a screenshot about, is it a lady called Diana Navatanzi? I think something like that.
Are you serious?
Yes, that he was telling me that, you see, your beauty is hurting them. You see this and that. Which money people are talking about. I've never seen him with the money. And how could I ask for and is it Benz? He told me that I asked for Benz 350 ml.
Yes.
Yet himself is driving is it Japan-made car? A car of 40 million? How can I ask for that? How can I? Do I look that stupid?
But he says you are different from other women. You are sweet.
Yeah, he didn't sleep with me. For sure, I'm here again to warn him. Like he should not say, because I'm going to bring the evidence why I didn't. And I would like to ask him one thing, by the way. He said that I was sweet. Was it protected or unprotected? I would like to know. Yes, I would like to know, because I don't know. Was it protected or unprotected? How can I have with him sex? How? In all men in Uganda, how can I end up in bed with Mr. Lwaswa?
If he continues to speak ill about you,
we shall go to law, to the law, I'm telling you. We shall go there. Yeah.
you are willing to face him?
Yes, I'm going to deal with him.
And where does this leave your business partnership with him?
At first I was trying to be nice. As I told you, our business will continue. But he decided this way. Because I remember before I came to the social media, for the first interview I gave, that was Saturday, to Joeria at Haruna's restaurant. When I was telling the truth, Mr. Lwaswa and I, we were sitting at the same table, only that he didn't appear in the camera. Yes. So why didn't he say that I was lying? He was there and he was okay with everything.
He says you're a cockroach. You are ignorant. You are dense.
Let him call me all names. I'm not here to abuse him. I respect all people. He's an old person. I'm not going to abuse him. But trust me, if I speak out and reveal the truth, Mr. Lwaswa, he might even end up in hospital. I'm telling you.
If you do what?
Yes, he might end up in hospital. And he knows why am I saying this. Anajua. I know you know, Mr. Lwaswa, that. Nikiongea, you are done. You know why am I keeping quiet? And you know, he said that he slept with me. How could you sleep with me? As big as I am, I think all of you can see that I'm a big person, even in size. So, I've watched his videos, the videos that has gone viral. Do you think his thing can even reach me?
Pardon?
Yes. Do you think his thing can even reach me? Do you really think, as big as I am,